First question is, what are your thoughts on the performance of Indian Olympics at Rio?
Uh, I I think we are not performed well. As far as we were around 122 participants were there, and as far as the performance is there, we just got two medals. That was also in the last moment. We were expecting so many medals from the boxers, from wrestlers also, but the reason is we are not practiced as per the as it should be there.
And what are, according to you, what are the biggest challenges for Indian Olympians?
Biggest challenges in the Olympic is we our systems. I'll blame the systems also. System is not as it is in the foreign countries. Now there are countries who have already planned for the 2032 Olympic. So we are not planning anything. We just plan for 3 years, 4 years. Olympian has to be planned. If you want medals in the Olympic, it has to be planned for 20 years or 16 years. Like this, planning has to be there. So merely planning for 2 to 3 years will not do.
So the challenges क्या थे उनके लिए? What are the challenges for Olympians?
Uh, they were not looked after. And one more thing I'll tell you, systematic planning means the problem faced by them is we just, that's what I said, we only plan for short. We don't plan for long. We just plan like Olympic is coming, we'll keep the camp for 6 months, we'll keep the camp for 1 year. The planning is not there for like 16 years or 20 years. Or there is no the science is not involved, high tech coaching is not involved nowadays, which has to be there.
So how come they overcome the challenges?
We should have stadiums, big stadiums. We should have this science lab, sports science lab. Sports medicine is involved nowadays, sports psychology is involved. So we are not focusing on these things also. Whereas, like, I'll tell you one thing, like where we stand in team games now, we stand nowhere. And I think, it's my personal views is, in coming Olympic also, maybe after 8 years or after 12 years, as far as the team performance is coming in coming expecting years, we will not stand. I'll tell you.
So despite working hard, what do you think our Olympians are falling short when it comes to medal count?
We are not working hard. We are not working hard as we should work hard. That's what I said. It is only we are getting medals in individuals. That is, their individual is working hard, not the team is working hard. Then one more thing I'll tell you, the coaches, Indian coaches, like one coach trained a sports person, and in Olympics somebody else is taking, somebody else is coming in the last moment, becoming coach and going along with the players. The coach who trained the individual is not going up to the last. Because sports psychology means a coach reads the psychology of individual. He or she knows about the weakness and the strength of individual sports person.
Do you think the Indian government is doing enough for our athletes? If not, then what should the changes be?
No, now this Olympic Indian government tried, but not up to the mark. But coming year, coming Olympic or the World Championship or the World Cup, if government wants, it has to be planned right from now. If we want Olympic medal after 8 years, it has to be planned now itself. And the government, see, I'll tell you, government, like if we talk about the Gurgaon, we are in Gurgaon. Gurgaon doesn't have any big stadium except one that is also not indoor. There is no indoor stadium in Gurgaon in basketball, badminton, or anything. If you talk, there is no big field of football. So it was, the stadiums was not planned.
Privatization.
Yeah, sports has to be totally privatized. It's my personal view. The government should not handle this. It should be totally privatized. Sports companies should come. They should take the land. They should make it because now Indian students or the players or the parents wants to invest the money to overcome all these things. Now India is growing fast. People are having parents wants to spend more and more money on their kids. So if privatization will, good coaches will come. There will be a total systematic planning. Coaching will be there. Long-term planning can be done. And as for the talent identification is there, we Indians are not identifying the talent as per the game wise.
Are we justified in the fact that we are expecting more medals from the Olympians?
No, we are not justifying the things. Say like getting 2 medals in Olympic now, how we can say we are justified? We were expecting now this Olympic around 8 to 10 medals, and it was not. That's what I said. It was not planned. And when Olympic, our squad is going for Olympic, then we expect. And before that, what we do? We don't plan anything.
So, what is your message to the aspiring Olympians?
They should work hard and they should go for the latest training methods. They should go for say the scientific training, and they should go as per the talent. Not that somebody reserved for the long jump, somebody is reserved for the high jump and involving themselves in other games. That's what I said. If they have talent, they should be motivated towards that, and they should work hard.
What are the changes do you think the government should make to improve the performance of the Indian Olympians?
Indian government should start working on the talent identification on grassroots level. They should identify the talent and they should divide according to the game. And they should plan for the long-term planning, like I earlier said, 16-year or 20-year plan. Then this, there should be a stadium along with the schools also. It should be close by. Education and sports must be correlated. It's not that somebody is studying in some school, there is no sports facility, somebody is studying in a good sports facility, but parents are not interested. Like government should go for the system to working hard from the low level. Next, the government should also identify the quality coaches, and the government should pay them a handsome amount. There are coaches now in even in the government, state government, those who are paying very less. So how and they are their service as a coach is not being utilized. They are doing some other job every time. They are detained for so many other duties, and the coaches can't plan for sports planning. They have a lot of office work, this work, that work. If you go in abroad, the coaches is left free. They will only work for they only plan for the coaching. They don't have any other office work or they are not disturbed by other things. So this is my message to the government that they should identify the coaches also, and they should deploy the coaches also for a better education, for a better coaching.
So, what do you think the government should make changes to improve the performance of the Olympians at Rio?
Government should go for grassroots level. They should identify the talent, and according to the talent, they should, on the basis of talent, they should send individual boy or girl to a particular game. And education and sports, I mean school and sports must be correlated. Then comes the coaches also go for repressive courses. like sports teacher, if he join the school, he doesn't know what are the changes is taking place. What are there is no, he doesn't go for any refresher course. So he is doing same what it was before 40 years or before 35 years, before 20 years. And as far as the coaching aspect is concerned, coach seats should also be paid more. Government is not paying handsome amount to the coaches, and they should also go for the frequently refreshes course, and they should also go to abroad for latest for their improvement of sports knowledge.